All right, we're live once again. Let's see. So today is August 12th, Tuesday, currently 7:22 here in Mexico. New York time would be 9:22, so market opens in about 8 minutes, give or take. But yeah. All right, so let's get back to charting real quick. All right, so let's see. Well, let me fix this camera real quick because this thing is a little weird. So let's move this here, here. All right, should be a little better, hopefully. Let's go back to the charts. Okay, so today we're starting the day off with 50.4. Once again, we didn't take a trade yesterday. Didn't really see an entry. Saw a small entry, didn't really take it. But yeah, still overall profitable, technically speaking. But yeah. Okay. Let me just expand this real quick to make sure we have a better charting. All right. So yesterday we were looking for breaking past this point and hopefully moving to this FEG up here and MES, and then MNQ was pushing above towards this level right here. Seems we took out this level right here though. But anyway, let's just clear this out real quick. See what we're working with today. Bam. And nope. All right, let's go back to MNQ real quick. Let's get rid of these. All right. So right now, it seems we're looking to take out this high, possibly. Honestly, I'm not sure if we're even gonna come back down to this FEG right here. But if we are, it's definitely not gonna be today. I don't think, at least. But we do have this daily FEG right here, untapped, right here. This has yet to get swept up here. And in the 4 hour, let's see, we're currently respecting this 4 hour FEG right here. Currently playing this 4 hour FEG. And technically we're also respecting this other 4 hour FEG right here, this bearish FEG up here. When the 1 hour, since we're creating a 1 hour FPG over here. Once again, also this 4 hour in confluence with 1 hour. But yeah, let's look at the sessions real quick. So we know New York opens at 9:30. Nope. New York open 1:30. London open 3. And then 1800 is the Asian session. Okay. So we have, well, so this Asian session got pushed right past through, and so did this previous London right here. So we have a new London high up here, but we do have an Asian session low right here. Boom. And then we have a London session low right here. And then we have a London session high up here. Yep. So that is what we're looking at for MNQ and MES. Very similar, but let's see. Let's see what we're looking at here. Once again, failed to tap all the way up here. Then we have the daily. Yeah, seems we're overall bullish though, I think. think it's technically bullish, but yeah, it's hard. It's hard to see what it wants to do today. I was hoping to see I was hoping to see a little more volatility today, but perhaps maybe not. Let's see. So extend it over here. So it's the FEG we're looking at, and then there's this, seems to be an inverse FEG right here. Not sure if it's trying to respect it or not, but seems technically is right now. Actually, it hasn't even closed. Well, technically it did, but not really. So I don't know what that's about. But see, 1 hour respected this FEG down here, pushed up, took out these highs. I think it seems to be reacting to these highs right now. But I guess maybe the entry would be past this high towards this FEG, maybe even this high up here. Let's see. Let's mark out the sessions on MES as well. Let's see. So we have New York open 9:30. London open at 3. And then hold up. Asia session open at 1800s. This is London. Bam. All right. So once again, we have Asian session low. Seems to be right here, give or take. We have, well, technically I should not look at it. MES seems to have taken out the Asian session low. Yeah. So I think London took out Asian session low in MES. So creating a new low. So this is London low right here. And then this would be Asian low, but once again, seems they got taken out in MES. Might be an SMT now think about it. And right now we have as well this London session high up here too. Nope, sorry, London high. Okay, so market already open. I'm not even sure what I'm looking for today. Well, first of all, there seems to be an SMT here between these two right here. It seems that MES took out London low, but M&Q seem to have failed to take it out. Yeah. Which would indicate, generally speaking, that we seem to be still bullish. I just don't know if we have any entries today. So let me get rid of this Asian low. There's an SMT right there. I want to save that we're looking at any possible entries. I don't know. These are very tight, like, it's a very tight positions. Like, I would only aim for right here, basically. And then very, very tight stop loss. But at open, we took out this liquidity sitting right here. Push down. Seems we're pushing back up right now. But we do have an SMT, right? I guess what I would want to see is pushing above this FEG, closing above it. If we close above it, we might see an entry to take out this high up here. Let me look at this chart in the meantime. Damn, hold up. Just gonna buy. Oh, that was not what I'm supposed to. Nope, 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 nope. Why did it put 12? Hold on, I gotta get out of this. Hold on, I gotta get out of this. Hold on, hold on. You know what? I'm gonna put this above right here somewhere just to get something. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Very bad idea. Uh-uh. 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 No, 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 no. Please, 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 please. No, no. Don't go below 5. Um, uh, yeah, that's it for today. Um, yeah. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace.